talk about the importance of using a good primer and not putting wall coverings on any walls that are just mudded and not primed.
It's almost problematic. Can't sleep because I'm so excited to go to work the next day.
Hey guys, Derek with Dependable Painting here, and today I want to talk about the importance of using a good primer and not putting wall coverings on any walls that are just mudded and not primed, and here's exactly why. Now, you might think, hey, I got a good deal. This is a display we're working on. They put up a whole sheet of vinyl, so this was all vinyl, and you'll see this with wallpaper or faux finish, like anything that's going to be a wall covering. And you think, hey, I got a great deal. They took it up, it looks good, until it's time to remove it. So we came in, we removed it properly, and no matter what you do, you're going to have all these gouges in the drywall. So now we're coming back, we're going to sand it for them, we're going to give it a skim coat of mud, and then it's going to need a good prime and 2 top coats. But it's important when you put up coverings to think about the back end, because this is what you're going to have to deal with if they're not put up correctly in the first place. So if you give us a call at 470-322-7107, we'll be happy to help you out. If you have wall covering needs, we have a great guy we work with. He makes huge vinyl sheets. We'll come in ahead of time. We're going to use a extreme long primer, and that's going to give it enough surface so when he vinyls it and you want to get rid of it in the future, bam, you just pull it right off. That could be for kids' decorations. It could be for any of your commercial needs. Anything you want to do with a decorative coating, give us a shout, 470-322-7107. We'll make sure we get you taken care of, because at the end of the day, when we look you in the eyes and take your hard-earned money, we want you to be treated just like family and get it done right, so you don't have these problems in the